Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove hazard warning button on SEAT Exeo and Audi A4 in 5 simple steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. First step is to remove the CD radio or the SEAT navigation head unit. You can find the video tutorial in the video description below. Then remove the hazard button, pulling it gently from the lower side towards you. Then disconnect the cables from the back. You can find a new hazard button at the best price in the video description below. Then replace the old button with a new one and then connect the cables. We don't have a new one, so we replace it with the same button. To disconnect it, you just have to press on that tab to remove the cables. Then install the new button back in the position. Don't forget to install the radio CD or the SEAT navigation unit. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.